Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little bit of some time that I've actually went ahead and did some updates to my car, and I will do feature videos on that because I've done some really good stuff to it. But I do want to go and do a little unboxing. I went ahead and bought 410 gears for my Mustang 2011 V6. Okay, so I'm going to do a little unboxing because I haven't opened them up yet. Let's see what's inside the box. They're Ford Performance, and I went ahead and didn't go with the 373s. I actually went with the 410s. So, ooh, very nice. Very nice. Very heavy too. I got a quote for installation, and I got a quote for $350 to do the install, as long as I had everything with it. So I went ahead and also bought the installation kit. Got the gasket and everything that came with it. Got a very good deal on American Muscle. So there you go. So the next video, I'm going to go ahead and do a review on how it feels. And I'm going to be training in North Carolina, Charlotte, this week for the next 2 weeks. So when I come back, I'll go ahead and do a video on the review and how it feels and the break-in period. And to give you a heads up, I also went ahead and lowered my car. I put some Eibach Sportline coils on it, lowering springs, and I also got dampers and everything as well. I want to do a review also on my Roush Axel exhaust system as well, and I also got the wind deflector for my convertible as well. It's LED, and it has an LED light. It's red, and it has the pony on it. So I'm going to do a video on that as well. So I'll be doing a lot more videos very soon, but I do want to just do an unboxing and show you what I got. So I'll be getting these installed tomorrow. All right, thanks a lot. See you next time.